Welcome back to today's episode of Tech Talk. On this edition, we'll be discussing the Dodge 4.7 and plugs leading to your ECU. Your sales representative may ask you for this information when you are getting your pricing to ensure that you get the correct motor for your application. Here is Drew with an example.
So today we're going to talk about the 2002 and 2003 Dodge pickup trucks and SUVs. Now when we do ask, we're going to ask you for ECU plugs. Now there's either 3 or there's 4 of them. That will determine whether you have the 16-tooth or the 32-tooth reluctor wheel. Now we're going to zoom in and show you exactly where the ECU plugs are. Now this particular 4.7 we're looking at has 4 ECU plugs, which lets us know that it has a 32-tooth reluctor wheel.
Now, unfortunately, as your VIN is not always able to give us this information, you will most likely make it all the way through your install before you realize that you have the wrong engine. So again, your sales representative will ask you this information to ensure that we get you back on the road quickly and properly.
So if you have any questions about your ECU plugs or your reluctor wheel, give our geniuses a call. We'll be more than happy to walk you through the steps. It's 888-842-0023.